When it comes to Bonsai versus Patriot accounting, one key question stands out: which has more AI-based automation? If you're a freelancer or a small business owner, both tools claim to offer features that simplify accounting, but when it comes to automation and AI, there's a clear difference you need to know about. Let's dive in and see how each of these platforms measures up in terms of AI-driven features. Stick with me to the end, because after testing both, I'll be revealing a better alternative you might not have considered, so stay tuned. First, Bonsai is designed for freelancers and small businesses, focusing on streamlining workflows from contracts to invoicing. It offers smart templates and some automation for tasks like time tracking and invoicing. However, when we talk about AI-based automation, Bonsai leans more on being rule-based rather than genuinely AI-driven. You can set up recurring tasks, automate invoice creation, and even have it auto-track your hours, but the AI here isn't as advanced as you'd expect. It's more about simplifying the repetitive tasks that freelancers face, rather than using AI to learn from your behavior and improve the workflow. Next, Patriot Accounting, which is more traditional and geared towards small businesses, offers solid accounting and payroll automation, but again, it doesn't quite take full advantage of AI. Like Bonsai, it automates invoicing, expenses, and payroll, but it's heavily reliant on manual input and setup. There's some basic automation involved, such as generating reports or reminders for tax filing, but it's not leveraging AI to actively analyze data or improve decision-making processes. Now, the fourth thing to consider is scalability. Bonsai offers some level of automation that works great for freelancers, but it's not ideal for more complex businesses that need AI to optimize things like tax planning or financial forecasting. Patriot Accounting, similarly, can handle your accounting needs well, but it lacks the AI-driven insights that could provide more value for businesses trying to scale. Finally, let's talk about customer support and user experience. Both platforms are user-friendly, but neither is particularly AI-driven in their customer support. You won't find an AI chatbot guiding you through a problem or recommending actions based on your usage. Instead, you're looking at a mix of standard knowledge bases and support teams, with minimal AI involvement. So, both Bonsai and Patriot Accounting have solid features for accounting automation, but if you're looking for true AI-based automation, neither really hits the mark. In fact, I've tested both of these tools extensively, and while they are good in their own right, I've found that a competitor offers a more robust, AI-powered experience for the goal of automating accounting and finance tasks. If you're serious about saving time and automating your accounting to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the alternative I've tested. Through the first link in the description, you can get access to the best free trial with exclusive benefits that I'm offering only to my viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity for a more advanced, AI-driven solution to managing your finances.